Good evening from Christchurch, Canterbury, everybody. Hope you're all doing good. This is another short episode of Project Food Garden. When I say short, that means that I'm going to quickly show you the cucumbers and gherkins that we are growing and how much fruit we have already harvested. You can see it on Instagram, and how much we still have on the vine, and that we're going to be harvesting. So this is the first pot that we have. It's about 25 to 30 liter pot, and let me show you the size of the fruit. Look at that. That is like the long variety of cucumbers that we are growing. We have already harvested 3 fruits from it, and you can see there's more fruit popping up, and the vine has grown up to 5 foot. This was the last one to be transplanted. This is the second one, and this is like even in a smaller pot. But look at the kind of fruit that we are pumping. That goes to show that there's more fruit. Goes to show that you don't need big pots to grow cucumbers. There we go. So that is the second one. That is the third vine that we have. It's pretty much same size pot, but look at the amount of fruit that we are getting from it. And by the way, we have already harvested fruit from this vine already. So there we go. There you go. There's some fruit. There's some down there and there. And if you go on top, we can show you the fourth vine. We already harvested a lot of fruit from it because this is on an arch. So once it got to this point, the nervous system of the plant, it started to grow a new shoot, which I'm going to start supporting. So we have got fruit up here as well, as you can see. New fruit developing. Let me try and show you. There we go. There we go. And there we go. New fruit developing up there as well. And we have some fruit here as well. So this is like a really decent amount. I mean, for a family of 3, we have been enjoying cucumber, and we have even given away a couple of fruits to our loved ones as well. So how do we go about growing this? So from a perspective of how much sun these would get, this is the east side. So these vines, they get sun about 2 to 3 hours in the morning. The morning sun is not that hot, and these plants are very temperamental. And if you leave them in the sun for a long time, they would liquidate, or they would get really unhappy and they would go into shock. So I have discovered this in Christchurch, Canterbury, that if you give them the morning sun till 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. since morning, they tend to take it quite well, and they don't get the afternoon or evening sun. And look at that. From a dietary perspective, let me show you the soil mix. So this has got river sand on top. Underneath we have aged horse manure and sheep pellets, and then we have the organic matter with the soil mix. Nothing too complicated, and you can see the foliage. It's really good. We have been spraying baking soda, which is like in the sprayer of 1.5 liter. I mix about 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, and we spray them on a weekly basis. So that is why the foliage is really, really happy. You would see odd bit of scars, but that comes with time. Nothing to worry about. And there's no rocket science in growing your own food. So there we go. You can see everything that we have done in the season as in pots. And we will shortly, in this video, we'll take the fruit off, and we'll show you what kind of quality we are getting from these vines. How good is that for home produce? Take a look. And these are all grown in pots.